Hello everyone. So we'll continue our dashboarding part. So till now we have created this dashboard. Now we got another requirement from our client, and what actually they want? They want to add a sales KPI. What is a KPI means? Key performance indicator, and this is an important matrix. This generally we use in our dashboard based on the requirement. So let's understand the requirement, then we'll get better idea what is KPI. So our business target is 5 million sales every year. So we have a business, and that business what actually they are targeting? They are targeting 5 million sales should happen every year. This is their target. Now what actually we have to do? In the dashboard you can see, right? We are showing the sales by each every year. You can see in 2016 we had a 2.3 million sales, 2017 we had a 2.7 million sales, in 2018 3.4 million sales, and 2019 4.3 million sales. Now what business wants, like you had to show me one visual that will tell like how percentage far and the less from our target. So this is the target which they have set up. Now how our sales, actual sales is happening from the target, that matrix I want to see in the dashboard. So for that what actually we'll use a KPI that will tell me how far and how less from our target, how far and how less from our target, and how their sales is happening, so that they can take a decision. So what we'll do, let's try to see how to add a KPI in the dashboard. So you can see this is the dashboard we have created, and this is the sales by each year. Now what actually we are going to do, we are going to add a KPI. So what I will do, you can see here we have one of the KPI. So I'll click on the KPI. You can see this KPI is adding here. Now what actually we want to do, we want to measure the sales. So what I will do, I will select the sum of sales. You can see value, we are selecting the sum of sales because that sum of sales actually we want to see. Now what is the trend axis? We want to see based on the each year. So in the order date hierarchy, right, we have a year. So I want to see the sales by each year, and what is our target. So we had to create one target also, because what business has set up the target, for that we should have a one field. But as of now you can see we don't have any target field. So what we'll do, we can create one target field also. So what you have to do, in a home tab, right, you can see new measure. So click on the new measure. We are going to create one new field. The field name is target. What business has set up their target? They have set up a target of the 5 million. So let's add the 5 million. This is the target they have set up. Now once you will do this, right, in the right side you can see one target got created. We have created one new column. This is a calculated field. We'll discuss this more in the upcoming lecture also, but as of now, high level you can see we have created the measure, and this is the target. Now in the target field, what we will select? We will select the target. Now you can see this our KPI is ready. Now in the KPI you can see, right, this is this 4.3 million for 2019. It is showing like we have a sale for the 4.3 million. What was our goal? It is showing the goal also 5 million, and you can see 14% we are less from our target, means we are in 14% less from our target. This particular graph is showing. Now if you want to see for the each year, right, suppose I will select the 2016. You can see in the 2016 we were 54% less from our target. In 2017 we were 46% less from our target. In 2018 we were 31% less from our target. So like that actually it can, you can see the how far and how less from your goal. So this is the important KPI, and this will help to measure the business like how far and how less you are going from the target. So what I will do, I'll select this, make the format painter, and I'll make the same. You can see this is the KPI. This will tell me how far and how less from the target we are. So goal we have set up the 5 million, but we are 14% less. So I hope you got it how to create a KPI.